Hello, everybody. We are here at the Daytona Beach Racing and Card Club. Of course, we're here for the Heartland Poker Tour. There's all kinds of poker action going on, but I'm trying to get in on a little of this dog racing action. Word on the street is this might not be going on forever. I've got some insider tips. Don't tell anyone, because I'm going against these two ladies to see who can pick the race of the day. So I'm going to go for who has the time. Sharon, I'm looking to do 2 to win, but I'm wondering if you have any good, insights or like if you have any scoop on these dogs.
Well, they all are really good, but I would go for the long shot because if it wins, you'll have more money.
Okay, great. Who's the long shot?
Number 2.
Great. We'll take 2 to win. Yes, I'm gonna be so rich. Thank you, my dear. I don't know how much I'm gonna win, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be big. Okay, everybody, I am up bird's eye view in the announcer's booth with Jamie Sardo, the announcer. Now, this is a extremely unusual occupation, I have to say. How did you find yourself in this position?
I was brought up in the racetracks. I've been going up to the announcer's booth since I was 5.
He was born to be an announcer. Now, as someone who's been around, who's seen a few things around this track, what's some tips you can give me on how to pick the right dog?
Play numbers.
What does that mean?
What's your lucky number?
22.
So play the 2.
So always play the deuce. I actually do that in most situations now. For those of you who haven't actually been to a race or seen a race, there's this little guy that comes going right before they release all of the dogs. And right as he comes around the corner, you'll hear this.
Here comes Lucky!
Do you guys think I can do it? This might be my future dream job. Here comes Lucky! Woo! Pew, 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 pew. Here comes my boy.
Here comes Lucky!
They're racing. The 1 hit a nice jump out of the box, but the 7's going to put an end to that. The 7's on the outside, 1 on the inside. 8, 5, 2, 4, 6, 3. Make their way around the escape turn in WWP specifics on top. Look who's coming from the side. Look at that 4. 3, the 4 has a beautiful view. They make their way down the back stretch toward the far turn. The 1 WWP specific. Down the lane, WWP Pacific looking to go box the wire. Here comes the 5. The 5 up the rail. That's a photo finish.
Wow. Pretty surprised I didn't win that, actually. Pretty surprised. Okay. Let's talk. I'm not exactly sure how this went down. How did your guy do?
He was first for the longest time, all the way up until the last, 3 seconds of the match. Came in second.
The match. Okay, he came in second. You know what they say about second? It's the first loser.
My dog came in second to last. He was bringing up the rear the entire race, and then he went for it and came in second to last.
He's got a lot of heart and commitment, which is a lot more than some of these dogs could say.